We come to lift your name on high. We come to lift your name on high. We come to lift your name on high. Would you again your mercy and do it forever? Would you again your mercy and do it forever? People from every nation and tongue, from generation to generation, we worship you. Hallelujah, hallelujah, we worship you for who you are. Yeah, baby, we worship you, yeah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, we worship you for who you are. And it's early in the morning. I said it's early in the morning. I said I love you. I said I love you. We worship you. Hallelujah, hallelujah. We worship you for who you are. And you are good all the time. All the time. You are good. You are good all the time. All the time. You are good. You are good all the time. All the time. You are good. You are good all the time. All the time. You are good. Would you again your mercy and do it forever? Oh, baby. Would you again your mercy and do it forever? People forever, a nation and time, from generation to generation, we worship you. Hallelujah, hallelujah, we worship you for who you are. For you are good all the time. I put you in advance all the time. Give me nonsense. You are good. You are looking up to me every single day so that I can keep giving you life. This is the weed book, just like that Bobby Valentino song I got in my basement and CD. Put it in the radio. Just know that I got the pens on the radio. It's my first Thanksgiving celebrating Christmas all day.